So, after Snowstorm, the most not exciting and fun chore follows, and that is clearing the driveway and the sidewalk as responsible homeowners. I cleared this part here. My husband came home and he's taking over the job. He's great at it.
Oh my God. You're killing me.
Good job, honey. Just gonna cheer him so it makes his job faster. So as a homeowner, it's our job to clear the sidewalk, because if somebody falls and get hurt, then it's our liability. So this is our married life. I did help a little bit. I mean, emotional support is as important as physical work, right?